Where is the bee?
Bee.
Yeah. How about the mouse or the rat? Yes, the rat. Yeah. How about mommy bear? Where's mommy bear?
Mama.
Yeah, and the baby bear, the little bear.
Mama.
Little bear. And the grass. Where is the grass? Where is the grass? Huh?
Hello.
Yeah, this one. How about the trees? Where's the trees? The trees? Where's the trees? Yeah, that's it. That's the trees. The grasshopper. Where is the grasshopper? No, the grasshopper. Here. Where is the grasshopper? Where is the grasshopper? Where is the grasshopper? The grasshopper is there. Yeah. Okay, where is the flowers? Where's the flowers? Tell me first, where's the flowers? Where's the flowers? Where's the flowers? How about the bird? Oh, the bird. Where's the bird?
Mama.
Where is the bee? The
Mama.
bee. Where's the bee?
Mama
The bee.
bee.
Okay, where's the flowers?
Bubble.
The flowers. That's the grass and the flowers. Okay.
Mommy.
Wait a minute. Come here. Okay, we'll see. Where is the fish? Yes, where is the ladybug? Where's the ladybug?
Down.
Wow, there. How about the bees? Where's the bee?
Bee.
Yeah, and how about the spider? Where is the spider? Yes, and how about the butterfly? The butterfly. Where's the butterfly? Wow, and mommy bear. Where's mommy bear?
Mama.
Mama, and the little bear.
Mama.
And where is the flowers? How about the flowers? Yes, and the grass. Yes, good job, Langga. Good job. Okay. Nobi. Okay, what's this?
Dog.
Huh?
Cat.
Cat. Nobi, how about this one?
Baba.
Yeah, sheep. How about this one?
Duck.
What's this?
Cats.
Okay. What about this one?
Cow.
No, this one.
Cow.
No, this one.
Cow.
Which one is cow?
Cow.
Which one is cow? No, which one is cow?
Cow.
Tell me which one is cow.
Cow.
That's not a
Duck.
cow. What's that?
Duck.
Ducks. Okay. What is this?
Cow.
Okay. What is this?
Cow.
What is this? This one?